Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new tutorial. Today I'm showing you how you can add an adjustment layer in Adobe Premiere Pro 2026, and I'll also tell you what exactly it is and what you can do with it. So first things first, log on to Premiere Pro, and in the top right hand corner I always suggest going straight into the editing window because you never know what window at the time you're going to be on. Now once you're on the editing window in the bottom left hand corner, you're going to see all of the files that you have put onto your timeline right here. You need to select this little paper folded item that says new item. Select then at the very middle adjustment layer. Select OK, it's going to match to your timeline. Then it's going to pop up in the box right here. You're going to simply select it, drag it onto your timeline. It's going to appear as purple. Zoom in, and then you can actually drag this all the way across to cover your whole video. Now the reason why I like to use adjustment layers is that for masking or for example color grading, it can help me color grade at the end of a video rather than having to do every individual clip. I simply get the adjustment layer there, I color grade this once, so for example color, I can make it very warm, adjustment layer right here, basic correction, color, I can increase the color here, and I can do this for pretty much the whole entire adjustment layer. So then I can scroll all the way across here and my whole video now has this adjustment layer color, whereas before you'd have to do it manually. So that's how you add an adjustment layer to your timeline in Premiere Pro. I hope that helped you out. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.